This lesson is on proper microscope use. We have Microscopes set up here for our demonstration, and I'll be viewing from both sides so you can get all of the parts. Let's start identifying the parts on the scope. Okay, first we want to know where the oculars are, and notice that they pull to the left and right for positioning of your interocular distance of your eyes. Okay, the microscope itself is contained with a base and the arm. And those are the two areas that you hold the scope with when you're transporting it. Never want to scoot them across the bench. Pick them up carefully and reposition them. Okay, as you look through the oculars, the next part is the objectives, the lenses that you're actually going to be viewing through. And they are attached to a housing called the nose piece. And you can see the ridges on the nose piece for gripping. You rotate the entire nose piece in one movement rather than holding on to the objective lenses when you're rotating them. When you get your scope out of the cabinet, it should have been put away in the shutdown procedure. So you should be seeing the 10X ocular in position on the nose piece. It's fine. 10X. I don't think it's going to focus. For this particular brand, it says
Plan 10/0.25.
Okay, and it does have a yellow band on it. All of the Microscopes are set up the same, so the yellow band is your 10X. What is the total magnification for that, Charlene?
The oculars have a 10X times your 10X magnification for your objective, which would make it 100X.
All right. Okay, when we first set up our scopes, the stage should be in the downward position. And you can see the coarse adjustment knobs are going to move the stage in large increments, coarse for big. And the fine adjustment knobs will move it in very small increments. Fine is small. Okay, the next part underneath the stage, actually go all the way to the base, and we have a light source. This is a bright field microscope, so it's a typical halogen lamp. The lamp actually projects up into a condenser. Okay. See her condenser? And there's a knob on the left-hand side that raises and lowers it. The condenser does not need to be all the way up. If it comes all the way up flush with your stage, you want to drop it down about 1/4 of an inch. Okay. Also, on the condenser, I don't think I can see this, the little switch is really fuzzy. This is going to go left and right. It opens and closes the diaphragm. Okay, so it's just like your camera shutter that allows more and less light in. Okay, now we'll be adding a specimen.